Assalamu alaikum dostlar. Azatda Çırda Globus Marketing yanında oturabız. Indian yurtundagı, Pakistan yurtundagı adamlardan, ballardan surap ko'raylik, qaysi tilde, rus tilinde qanday denglikte biladi. Hi bro, what's up? Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Pakistan.
Bro, I have a channel, YouTube channel,
Yeah.
and so I'm doing questions here.
Yeah. Okay.
Which is there's Pakistan or Indian peoples,
Yeah,
and my question is if it's
No problem.
no problem,
Yeah,
I will
that's
take it.
okay.
So, do you know any Kyrgyz verbs?
Yeah, a little bit I know about that.
For example,
Oba.
Oba.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then
Yeah, so you can say Salamat Uzbek. How are you? Greeting. How to greet the people. Salamat Uzbek.
Salamatsız bye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some other words like Vada, water. Vada.
Vada, it's in Russian
Yeah,
language.
yeah, Sud.
Su.
Su,
Wow. Oh, good job.
Yeah.
And then
You want to like Jakshay.
Жақсы.
Yeah. They're more that Mughallim, teacher.
Muğallin.
Yeah, teacher. Chirag.
Chirag.
Yeah.
Good
So
job.
we
Man.
have like more words also like Utarguch.
Oturguç.
Yeah.
Oh, you.
We are
really-
just studying. Yeah, they're teaching us some languages about to
Good.
move on. Yeah.
So I'm happy to listen you some verbs. You
Oh,
know,
thank you.
I went some peoples and they don't know even the one verbs in
Oh.
Kyrgyz language.
In our university, they teaches everything, so this is better for us.
So I wanna teach you now in one verbs
Yeah.
because you're coming always to Globus, and I think it will be better for you.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
So it's kanchasom.
Kanchasum. How much so?
Yes, how much
How
it will
much
be?
so? Some words, vocabulary we know.
Yeah.
Some teaches some like how to say, how to come over here.
Yeah.
Yes, you can pronounce the word how to come over here. In Kyrgyz, how to pronounce that.
Oh,
Uh,
really, you did me surprise. You know, is I meet a lot of people and they don't know how to speak. Even that they are speaking in the Russian language. You know, and that's
Yeah.
why I start to make channel and to ask the people
that's a great
how
thing.
long
Seriously.
they knows is our country verbs.
That's a great thing. Seriously.
Yeah, good job, man. What's your name?
It's Fahad.
Huh?
Fahad.
Fahad.
Yeah.
My name is Tilek.
That's great.
Thank you, bro. And
Can
I
I go?
hope you will do all the things,
Ah.
all the better.
Okay. Thank
I
you so
wish
much.
you all the things.